Carpentry is an ancient craft that has been passed down for generations in Japan. Traditional carpenters are divided into several areas of specialization depending on the type of building they construct. Let's take a look at 3 types of specialized carpenters. First, we have the miya-daiku, who specialize in the construction of temples and shrines. Their work is characterized by the use of plain wood and the absence of decoration. Next, we have the machiya-daiku, who specialize in the construction of traditional wooden townhouses. Their work mainly involves the restoration of ancient buildings. Finally, we have the sukiya-daiku, who specialize in the construction of detached tea houses and residences designed in the tea house style. The primary role of a sukiya-daiku is to bring out the utmost beauty of the wood. We search for the most beautiful wood pattern, which we call the face of the wood. The first wood materials chosen for a sukiya-daiku project are the pillars. Their thickness and size depend on the scale of the room to be built. When building a room, we always take into account kiyo-mote, or the beautiful side of the wood, which is visible to the main guests in the best seats in the room. The appeal of sukiya comes from our effort to bring out the beauty of the wood. The work of these specialized carpenters consists mainly in the restoration of ancient buildings, but new buildings continue to be built in traditional style. Wooden materials should be dried slowly, otherwise, its texture will be thrown into disorder. That is why building a wooden house should be started in the fall and proceeded with construction during winter to make woods dry slowly. Carpentry is not just about technical skills, but also about following certain rules and principles. Woods should be set up naturally. It is not acceptable to set up an inverted pillar, and the top ends of the horizontal members should be put in the south or east. Those rules help to prevent woods from being thrown into disorder in the future. Carpentry is an art that requires both function and aesthetics to dictate the selection of the materials used in various parts of traditional buildings. Many different types of timbers are used, and these can be divided into structural and decorative categories. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the world of traditional Japanese carpentry. There's so much to learn and appreciate about this ancient craft that continues to be practiced today. Thanks for watching.